Hello and welcome to lasa.africa. Today we're doing a product assembly of our LSA VGL 24BK. For our first step, we'll be needing parts I, 2 parts H24, 2 parts H42, 4 parts H17 and 4 parts B16. Let's go ahead and assemble now. For our next step, we'll be taking 14 of our H42s, 14 of our H24s, 7 of our I's, and 28 C16s. We'll be building identical platforms, 7 of them. This is a repeating step. Let's proceed. We'll be repeating this step another 6 times. For our next step, we'll be needing 28 parts number H17. Let's assemble. Taking our first one with the long extensions as our base and one of our multiple platforms. Then for every platform, we'll be adding 4H17. We'll just continue to repeat this step until all the posts are finished. For our next step, we'll be needing 2 of our H24 and 4 of our K16. Let's go ahead and assemble. We'll be repeating that step. For our next step, part K, the anti-tipping parts, please refer to your user manual on how to install. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching our product assembly of our LSA VGL 24BK. Please visit us on www.lasa.africa for more product assemblies and more products. Thank you.